Hello everyone, welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. Today you'll learn how to write a personal invitation letter. This letter is a formal yet friendly document written by an individual inviting someone, often a friend or family member, to visit them in another country for a specific occasion or period. Whether for a holiday, family gathering, or just to spend time together, this letter helps express genuine intent and can also support a visa application if needed. You'll start your personal invitation letter by writing your full name, complete street address, city with zip code, country, email, phone number, and the current date at the top. This is followed by a clear subject line, such as personal invitation to visit, and a warm salutation addressing your friend by name. After that, write, "I hope this letter finds you in great health and high spirits. I am writing to warmly invite you to visit me in city country during the upcoming mentioned event season or dates, e.g., summer holidays in July. It would be a wonderful opportunity for us to spend some quality time together, explore local attractions, and create lasting memories. I've planned a few fun activities and outings that I'm sure you'll enjoy, and I'd love for you to be a part of them. During your stay, I will take full responsibility for your accommodation, meals, and local transportation. Please don't hesitate to let me know if you need any assistance with your travel plans or visa arrangements. I genuinely look forward to your visit and hope you will accept my invitation. Warm regards, your first name." This is our sample personal invitation letter. You'll notice how it expresses genuine warmth, provides clear visit details, and maintains a respectful and personal tone throughout. The letter's structured approach helps convey sincerity and can support travel or visa arrangements if needed. And with that, I conclude today's tutorial. If you found it helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on writing clear and effective personal and official letters.